Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best skateboard bearings that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sackorange 608ZZ skateboard bearings. Are you looking for the best skateboard bearing that features a single row bearing? Then this is the product that you should consider investing in for supporting radial loads. Additionally, this product will give you great value for your money as it features great resistance to deformity when dealing with heavy loads. The best thing that you will love about this skateboard bearing is that it is made using carbon steel material that features superior durability. Ideally, this skateboard bearing is shielded to ensure that the lubricant will remain inside while the contaminants are blocked outside. With grease lubrication, this product has 34,000 RPM limit of revolutions per minute. It also comes with dimensions that make it ideal for use in inline skates, scooters, and skateboards among others. Moving on at number 4, we have the Oldboy Premium Ceramic Bearings. This is the best skateboard bearings that come in a set of 8 and features a nylon casing. The product is designed to be used in longboards or standard skateboard wheels. Ideally, this product is perfect for rollerblade, hockey skate, inline, quad, and scooter wheels. Every bearing features 7 white ceramic balls which are engraved in a chrome steel ring. To ensure that the bearings are easy to maintain, this product is equipped with one hard polymer shield. Furthermore, the bearings get to you in good condition because they are packed in a pyramid box that facilitates good vibrations. One of the things that you will love about this product is that it comes with an extended life. This is mainly facilitated by the super hard ceramic balls that prevent wear and tear when skating at high speeds. The balls also ensure that friction is reduced, ensuring that it is ideal for freeboarding, long-distance cruising, and slalom skating. At number 3, we have the Fireball Dragon Precision Skateboard Bearings. Here are skateboard bearings that feature a Fireball Beast guarantee to ensure that you get value for your money. Therefore, you will either get satisfaction or your money back in a painless process. The product also comes with dual labyrinth shields which help with element protection. Its 2 shields are placed on either side for ultimate protection and they are built to last. One of the things that you will love about these skateboard bearings is that it comes with easy cleaning and maintenance. Furthermore, there is also the versatility that comes with this product as you can either use Endure or Race lubricants. Endure lubricant is ideal when enhancing maximum longevity while Race lubricant is for unrivaled speed. To get the ultimate ride, this skateboard bearing should be used together with Dragon spacers. These bearing feature size 608 which is also ideal for use in spinners, roller skates, scooters, pennyboards, rollerblades, longboards, and skateboards. At number 2, we have the Heady Shake Pro Skateboard Bearings. Do you want to enjoy faster, more efficient and smoother rides when using your skateboard? Then here is a product that will give you all that among other things. It features the most reliable and fastest skateboard bearings that you will find on the market in 2022. Therefore, they will help you burn roads with amazing consistency as they are stronger and lighter than most products that are on sale today. They are made using premium grade titanium material which boosts durability, saving you money in the long run. These are the skateboard bearings that will work well with your skates, boards, and gear in a stylish fare. Due to its high precision, this best skateboard bearing comes with a BEC9 rating and has a reinforced construction to deliver a gnarly ride. One of the things that you will love about it is that it features superior corrosion resistance, boosting the product's longevity. And finally at number 1, we have the Yellow Jacket Premium Skateboard Bearings. Do you want to replace your skateboard bearings because they fall apart after several uses? Or do you always compromise durability and performance for cheap skateboard bearings? Then you need to buy this Yellow Jacket skateboard bearings because they feature high performance, superior durability, and a competitive price. The best thing about buying these skateboard bearings is that it features premium chrome steel for optimal performance and smooth gliding. Its stainless steel roller cage works with high-speed race lube to ensure that the bearings can be used right from the box. Therefore, if you need value, then search no more, as this product is worth every coin you spend on it. Its shield ensures that all contaminants like particles, dust, and rocks are kept away, which would slow down your bearings over time. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.